Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this metallic look right here. I absolutely love it. So if you want to see what products I use and how I created it, then please just keep on watching. So as this is just going to be an eye makeup tutorial, I've already done my base makeup, so I'm just going to get straight on with the eyes. For my transition, I'm going to pick up the shade Raw Sienna from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm going to take this right into my crease, blending it quite far up and out, taking that right into the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Even if I can't see the transition shade towards the end of the look, I always like to put a transition shade down, just so it just gives me a nice guide and like gives the eye a bit more shape so you can kind of see what you're doing, if that makes any sense. Probably doesn't, but it makes sense to me. Now just using the same brush, I'm going to pick up Love Letter. Now this is really pigmented, so I just want to just literally like dab it on my brush and pick up just the tiniest amount. And I'm going to take this pretty much on top of what I just did. Taking it right up to the start of the brow there and taking it right out to like the brow bone, end of the brow. Also taking it on the outer corner of my eye. Just really sort of like diffusing it right out. I'm then going to go ahead and take some concealer. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Fair. Any sort of light concealer that you have will work well with this. So I'm literally just going to put some on the back of my hand like that. And I'm going to grab my concealer brush, pick up some of that concealer, and I'm going to carve out my eyelid with this. So I'm going to do a slight cut crease with it. So what I like to do is pop it into the inner corner of my eye first and bring that right down to sort of as close as to the lash line as possible. And then I like to look up so it transfers to the top. See how it's created that line for me to follow? It's just so much easier, so I know exactly how high to apply the concealer. Just connect it to the bottom so it's like a nice straight line. And then when we get to the middle, we're just going to try and diffuse that edge, so applying a really light hand to sort of diffuse it. And then what I like to do is take a clean flat shaded brush, and I just like to press along that edge to help diffuse it a little bit more. And then what I like to do is take another clean flat shaded brush and pick up some loose translucent powder. I like to use the RCMA loose translucent, it's one of my favourites. And before I set that, I'm going to blend out these creases that I'm having at the minute. Just want to get rid of everything. And then take the loose powder and just press that over the top to set it. Then I'm going to pick up some more of that Love Letter shade, and I'm just going to diffuse that edge even more just by really lightly applying some of that shadow, just really lightly though. Just along that edge. See, it's like a really nice sort of gradient look now instead of the harsh line. I'm then going to pick up a pencil brush and dip into that shade Love Letter again. And I'm just taking this under my lower lash line. For the cut crease area, I'm going to take my Morphe 35p palette And I'm going to pick up this really nice shimmery purple shadow. It's so pretty. I'm just going to take this on a flat brush. I'm going to pick up some of that shade. And I'm just going to press it onto where we applied that concealer. So I'm taking it right up to that line. Not going past it, just taking it right up to it. And then blending it across. Once I get to the centre, I'm just dabbing it over, just ever so slightly over the transition line. I'm going to take a small flat shaded brush and pick up some more of that purple shimmer that we've just laid down, and I'm actually going to put some in the inner corner of my eye as like an inner corner highlight. Oh, so pretty. I'm actually just going to take that on my brow bone as well, just to sort of tie everything together. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to throw on some mascara. And then I'm just going to pop on some lashes. I don't actually know what these ones are because they're out of the box, but I think they're the Ardell Wispies because they're the ones I always use, but I have no idea. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply some highlighter. I'm going to apply this, well, I'm going to try out this purple one. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, called Sassy Grape. It works so nicely with my eyes, so I'm just going to try it. But first, I'm going to spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus. This is just going to melt all the powders into my skin and make it more like natural. I think that looks so cool. I think I'll apply a bit more. Like, I like highlight on like the apples of my cheeks at the moment, making my skin like really like nice and dewy and glowy. So I like to just like smile and just apply it there. I'm going to take that down my nose as well, where I would typically highlight, and on the end. Now moving on to lips. Now I'm so excited to try these. These are the new NYX, what are they called? NYX Duochromatic lip glosses, shimmer lip gloss. And I got, there was hardly anything to choose from because all of the nice ones were obviously sold out. But I got the purple one and the pink one. I think these are so cool. There was like this brownie, sort of like coppery brownie one that just looked so nice. Obviously out of stock. But I'm going to try both of these with this look. I'm going to try the pink one first. So, oh, it looks so cool. So I'm just going to apply that on the lips, obviously. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so cool. It looks, I wanted to try it just on its own without anything underneath, without like a lip colour underneath. But that looks so cool. So pretty. Right, I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to try the purple one with a lip colour underneath to see if that looks any different. So I'm just going to try this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is a matte lipstick. Okay, so now I'm going to try the purple one. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, it doesn't help that my lips are like really like chapped and dry, but this looks so cool. It's so comfortable to wear, like it's not like sticky at all, which is so nice because I hate sticky lip glosses. Oh my god, I just love it. It looks so nice with a lip colour underneath. I did like the pink one without anything underneath, but I think it definitely needs like that base colour for it to just work so much better. My lips are so like chapped and dry at the minute, but I love it, and I love the purple one with this eye look. I think it just finishes it off really nicely, like all matches. I love it. So this is the finished result. I all hope you enjoyed this metallic makeup look. You can definitely wear this to a festival. I think it would look so cool. I just love this lip, like I'm obsessed. So yeah, I all hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell down below so you'll be notified whenever I post any videos.